Good morning, children. Children, I welcome you all to today's session of maths, and we are on to the concept sheets of multiplication. Right? Multiplication is one of the most important tools as far as mathematics is concerned because by using multiplication, we tend to make calculation a little easier. Now, you will be shocked to hear this. Now, just suppose if you have to give 100 rupees to 5 persons. Now, what will be the total amount? See how we need to do it is what we will be doing is we will be writing 100, then 100 below it, 5 times 100, right? And then we will be adding it. So, to get an answer of 500, yes, we will be simply adding it. Now, this is as far as when the numbers are very simple, like 100, 5 to 5 persons. Suppose this number changes and I have to give 157 rupees to 130 for people. How to do it? If we will write it like this, then it will exceed many sheets, many sheets of paper. So the best technique to do is, and the addition part can be full of errors, can be full of mistakes. So the best way to do it manually is multiplication. Now the question was, so how we will be right? We need to give 157 rupees to 134 people, and the problem becomes simpler when we do so. Okay, so this is what multiplication, you have been taught 3 digit, 2 digit, 4 digit multiplication, and let us see in this concept sheet what kinds of problems are there. So let us begin this concept sheet of the chapter multiplication. Okay, now first is 35 into 130. How will you multiply? You can write it both the ways. You can write 35 at the top and 130 below it, or 130 at the top with 35 below it, both the ways. So let us do a little bit tough way. Let us write 35 here multiplied by 130. Now when we multiply any number by 0, we get 0. Then by 3, see, we will put a cross here. 5 3s are 15. Put a 5 here. 3 3s are 9 and 1 10. It's 105. Now when we multiply any number by 1, we will be getting the same number. So we will be writing here 35. And now we will be adding it. So here will be a 0, here will be a 5, here will be a 5, and here will be a 4. 4 5 5 0. And that is the correct answer, right? And this is how you need to do up to question number 12. Now after that, there are some problems type of question, some situation, some real life situation. Now see, there are 125 troops of soldier in a cantonment. If there are 425 soldier in each troop, means each line, and there are 125 such lines, find such troops, find the number of soldiers in the cantonment. That is, now if we keep on writing 425 425 125 125 बार अगर इसको लिखेंगे तो it will be a huge thing, and then add करना, और it will be a disaster. Let me tell you, it will be a disaster. So we have a simpler technique, and that is multiplication. So it will, what we will be doing is we will be simply writing 425 and then multiplying it by 125 to get the correct answer. To get the correct answer, right? This is a very simple technique. Rather than writing it 125 times and then adding it, simply go for multiplication. Okay, now I leave it here. You can solve this, I know. Now see the second one. It's almost similar to first. Third also. Fourth also is almost similar. Fifth, right? Sixth is also simple multiplication is there. A weaving machine. Now seventh one again. Eighth and ninth and now see 10th one. Let us come. Now Rakesh reads 12 pages of books in 1 hour. How many pages are there if he reads for 4 hours a day? 1 hour 12 pages, so 4 hour in a day we will be getting first calculation, and then if he finishes the book in 24 days. So in 1 day how many pages he is studying? In 1 day, 1 day he is studying how many pages? He is studying 12 into 4 pages, and that is equal to how much? 48. So 1 day Rakesh is reading 48 pages, and he finishes the book in how many days? 24. So total number of pages will be number of pages will be how much? 48 multiplied by 24. And we can do this very easily, right? So that will be the total number of pages. You can solve it. Right, children? So I stop here. I think this is a very simple sheet. Please go ahead, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did in making it. And until we meet again, it's a goodbye.